We are no longer, well, we're no longer pregnant. We just did an ultrasound and everything is gone. Everything is gone. So, yeah, we're no longer pregnant. And I will keep you guys updated. Hi, sunshines. So, I am going to make black cake. I'm gonna make. Let me turn that off. I'm gonna make black cake for Christmas. So, I have my fruit. I'm getting my fruit ready, and get my fruit ready. So, what I bought at the Jamaican store, I went to the Jamaican store to get everything. So, I got a pound of raisin, mixed peels, mixed fruit peels, prune, and half a pound. I think this is half pound of cherries. And I also got some burnt sugar and a little bottle of mixed essence. Even though I think I have some. I think I have some of those. I think I have some of it. But I bought some just to be sure. Just to be on the safe side. But I don't see any but. Yeah. I have the Angostura bitter. And I also, because you can't make black cake without rum. So I bought some spiced rum. And don't worry, if you're a Christian, I'm going to cook this. I'm going to cook the fruit in this. So you can't get drunk off of it. It's going to be just the flavor. And I also got some original cherry flavored brandy. So you can't get drunk off of it if you cook it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil my fruit and my rum. And then I'm going to blend it and then let it soak for a few days until I'm ready for it. So usually we let our fruit soak for a month or a year, 2 years, 5 years, however long you want your fruit to soak for. But I don't have 2 years, I don't have a year, I don't even have a month. So what I'm gonna do is I have one week. So I'm gonna boil the fruit, and then after that I'm gonna blend it and then put it to soak for until Thursday. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning, sunshines. So I have my jar filled here with, remember that the fruit thing I showed you guys? So this is it, all completely. Let me turn it around so I can give you guys a better view. Okay, so this is the filling for my black cake, and yeah, it is so yummy. It's nice and warm right now because I did boil the fruit, because I don't think 1 week was gonna be long enough. So I boiled the fruit. I boiled the fruit, and then I blend it because I don't have a food processor. So I blend it so it's kind of like still a little bit chunky, but I don't care, whatever. So I'm gonna let this sit out, and then I'm gonna put my this lid on it. And the good thing about this lid is you can have it as tight as you want by screwing this little knob or unscrewing it. It makes it really tight. So I'm gonna cover this once it's cooled down a bit. So yeah, guys.
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes.
Hi, sunshines. Honey, you gonna say hi? Stop messing with the people. Them stop. That's all he does is sit around and mess with the machines and the. That's all he does is mess with the people that thing. Honey, can you push me up? Can you pull me up?
Oh.
Babe, look at this. Look at this man. Why? Babe, can you turn it off? Babe, can you please? If your husband is like that, you don't have to. You don't work here. So,
you probably need some light for your video.
anyways,
Right?
we are in the emergency room, and I'm here because
That's good?
yeah, perfect. I'm here because we started bleeding. I started bleeding, not we, because he's not experiencing anything. It's just me. So I started bleeding and having like really bad back pain, cramps, and what felt like contractions. Like my stomach would just tighten and release. So they did an ultrasound, they did blood works, urine. So right now I'm just waiting on results to come in. And hopefully everything is okay. I don't know what's going on with this pregnancy. So it's kind of scary though. It's kind of scary because I've never had this much problems with a pregnancy. And I don't know. I don't know if we're going or coming. I don't know. So I'll update you guys once I get all the results and stuff. So bye guys. Good morning, sunshines. Okay, so I know the last time you guys heard from me I was in the emergency room. Don't worry, I'm folding laundry. I was in the emergency room and they did an ultrasound, and the good news is they found the yolk sac, the fetal pole, and a heart rate of 90. So they found a heart rate of 90, and the emergency doctor, he was like, you are having what's called a threatened miscarriage, meaning that you're not, the baby's still there, the heartbeat is there. The only problem is when they were doing the ultrasound, the baby was at the very top of the uterus, where I think they said the fundus area. That's where the baby was, and at the end of the examination, the gestational sac moved from the fundus area to the lower part of my uterus, and he said it was suggestive of an abortion in progress. An abortion in progress. And I was like, that don't make no sense. In their world, it probably does make sense, but at the same time, that kind of scared me even more, because I was like, what do I expect? Do I expect to continue to keep bleeding until I pass something, or am I going to continue to go on to have a healthy pregnancy? And he was like, you could continue to have a healthy pregnancy. It's not guaranteed that you'll have a healthy pregnancy, but what I did was I contacted our pastor and everything and told him of our situation, and he prayed about it. I prayed about it, and that's where I left it. I left it in God's hand, and if it's to be that this baby will carry on to full term, then that's going to be the case, But what I'm not going to do is sit around and worry about it. Yes, it's painful because, for one, I am having a lot of cramps, a lot of cramping, because so far I've taken 4 pills in the span of 4 hours. Tylenol. I've taken 4 Tylenols in the span of 4 hours. I'm having a lot of back pain, a lot of back pain. He did put me on modified bed rest, meaning that I can get out of bed to go and pee, but other than that, I should not be moving and should not do anything so that this can resolve itself. So I am following doctor's orders, and I do have a UTI, which is a urinary tract infection, and I am taking an antibiotic for that, and but yeah, so far I am bleeding a lot. I've gone through 3 pads so far for today, and it's not a lot of clots in whatever I'm passing. It's not a lot of clots, so that I'm not worried about. I'm not worried about the bleeding. Okay, so I'm not worried about the bleeding. I'm not worried about the bleeding. What I am worried about is the fact that they said that an abortion in progress. I don't want an abortion in progress. I want nothing. I want a healthy baby at the end of all of this. And that's what's going to happen, is that I'm going to have a healthy child, if it's to be. So, yeah, that's where we are right now. I wish I had better news. I wish I had good news. But I don't. This right now is all I have, is the fact that I am bleeding and I am experiencing a lot of cramps. And baby did show up though. Baby did show up. If this is any indication of what this child is gonna be like out of my uterus, it's gonna be a heartache. But baby did show up, live and in living color, and whoops, I have this little guy sulking right here. My husband had me over here folding laundry, and he's cleaning the house. So I am appreciative of my husband, because whenever time anything happened to me and requires me to be in bed, that's exactly where I need to be, is in bed, and he will take over. He will take charge. So he's good in that aspect. It's very good in that aspect. And then my daughter is at my mother-in-law. She was nice enough to watch the kids for us. And Marcelo was able to go with me the other night, so that was nice of her, and I'm very appreciative. But anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog. There's not gonna be a vlog for Wednesday. I'm not sure. Probably just an update. So yeah. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Say goodbye. All right, we're out. Hi, sunshines. So it is now 1. Is it 1 a.m.?
12:40.
12:40. And yeah, my HCG level is at 500. So we are no longer, well, we're no longer pregnant. We just did an ultrasound and everything is gone. Everything is gone. So yeah, we're no longer pregnant. And I will keep you guys updated. Right now I'm gonna go get some rest because I've been in pain since Friday. And I just got morphine and I am going to sleep like there is no tomorrow. So I will try to update you guys as soon as I can, and I will tell you guys everything. So yeah. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. And don't forget, you guys are my sunshines. So don't forget to shine bright.